Columbine truck has been around my driveway ever since 1985. But anyway, if you take a look here, there's a big dent here where somebody put something monster on here and bent it down. And I'm a carpenter, so I'm not gonna hire a body shop. I don't know what to do. So what I did is I made the system up here. So okay, here. Okay, I got a block inside that groove here. I don't know if you can see the block here, right there. So I'm not bending the stupid lip here and making a mistake. And in the meantime, I've made two other blocks here. And I'll just show you what I'm planning to do. And, I'm just gonna try to lift this up. I'm a fat guy. That bottom piece should go down there, but I just, I have to cut the wood again. So here, let's just see if I can even do anything. Look at that, it's bringing it right up. And, oh man, I just about got it. One try, I brought that kink into there. But basically, I'm putting 500 pounds pressure on it. And I'm bringing it up. And I was worried that I was gonna dent that, but it seems like it's holding up pretty good. Now, let's see if it's straight. It's got about 1/8 of an inch to come up. Actually, it looks pretty dang good. I should have shown you that before I did it. Okay, again. I'm gonna just bring it up 1/8 of an inch. And, oh, too much. Now, I'm not a body guy, but I ended up making that kink there. It's gone. Well, a little bit of Bondo. You know what? I might have brought it up too much. Now, I'm not a carpenter. This hammer has rubber ends on it, just so you know that I wasn't born yesterday. If I would have done it with this one, I would have ruined it. Thanks a lot for watching. The old 85 Columbine truck. I don't know if you know what this is, but this is the truck I took to Colorado the first time in 1999. In April the 20th, there was a school shooting. Look at that, it's fixed. I mean, I've been looking at that for too dang long. Yeah, I might be a little smarter than I thought. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to our channel.